Bob Marley's star is back on the Hollywood Walk of Fame in LA. If you know the story, it was defaced, and the monument was replaced by the Hollywood Chamber of Commerce, which administers the popular tourist attraction after it was vandalized on Monday, the 23rd of October. Repairs were carried out by the Hollywood Historic Trust at the cost of, I bet you can't tell me, $3,000 US. I would like to know is what kind of cement or what kind of porcelain they put on top of that star make the replacement and repair cost $3,000. But I'm super happy that they actually fixed it.
Yeah, I was upset when they defaced it.
Yeah, why would you choose his to deface? That was my question.
There are a lot of other people.
Oh, look how much people started it.
Yeah, like
why on earth deface?
Like a certain 45.
I'm moving on. I'm moving on. That's funny, but I'm moving on. What's next?
Moving on to Protégé rolls out with Chronixx. Having released his debut album, Chronology, earlier this year, Chronixx has been touring extensively and now ready to begin the sweet skanking closer. Bring the sweet skanking closer to home with the Chronology Caribbean Tour, and Protégé will be sharing his work with music.
Oh, that's nice. That sounds good.
Yeah, and you watched ER? Well, I was watching ER yesterday, and Chronixx talking about not a living Jamaica isn't at the top of the reggae charts. You know, I'm just trying to bring that back. So the good that they're doing for the music himself, Protégé and company, keep on doing it.
Yeah, Chronixx mentioned that in his song though, right? And Bob Marley still a lead by iTunes.
Yeah, and Drake and Rihanna. And, but keep doing your thing, guys. It's proud as a Jamaican that you guys are making strides in the music industry.
That's right. Guess what? We've got another Olympian that's at the top, and Aaliyah Atkinson won gold in the women's 50-meter breaststroke at the Swimming World Cup in Beijing, China yesterday. For Aaliyah! Atkinson won with a time of 29.57 seconds ahead of hosts Feng 30.40 and Suo 30.44. All right.
That was good. That was good.
Yeah. All right. So we have to give lots of love to Aaliyah and make sure we stick behind our athletes when they're at the top, when they're at the middle, when they're finding it hard.
Yeah, our athletes, our musicians, our performing arts people.
Thank you.
They are our ambassadors.
Yeah.
So.
And that's it
for the
trending topics.
We can't keep this up.